Hello South Africa. These parts of Cape Town will be without water from Monday. The City of Cape Town's Water and Sanitation Directorate has scheduled essential maintenance work in various areas, resulting in water supply disruptions. The work aims to improve the Cape Town water supply infrastructure for the benefit of residents. Plumstead and Wynberg, conditional assessments will be conducted from October 9, 2023 to November 30, 2023, potentially causing lower water pressure for up to 1.5 hours during the day. Tableview, Flamingo Vlei, and Blaubergstrand, zero pressure testing will occur overnight from October 24, 2023 to October 25, 2023. Helderview, Somerset West, zero pressure testing will be carried out overnight from October 24, 2023 to October 25, 2023. Claremont, Newlands, and Ron Bosch, zero pressure testing is scheduled from October 26, 2023 to October 27, 2023. Some areas may experience low water pressure or no water during overnight testing, as part of pressure management technology installation. This work helps prevent pipe bursts and water wastage. Maintenance activities will disrupt water supply in Cape Town specific areas. Hout Bay, intermittent water supply shutdowns will occur from October 18, 2023 to November 3, 2023 for valve replacements and upgrades. No Park, Ottery, the water supply will be shut off on October 24, 2023 to install a 300 mm water meter. A water tanker will provide water during this time. The city apologizes for any inconvenience and emphasizes the importance of these maintenance efforts to ensure a reliable water supply in the future of Cape Town, said the city in a statement. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.